I'm Jill Foster. I'm Chief Nurse at North Cumbria Integrated Care Trust. When I was thinking about what career I would have, I thought, what do I want to do? And I wanted to be with people. That's all I really knew. I looked into nursing and I thought that's something that I really could do. What keeps me in nursing is always the potential to look after people really well. It's always about the patients. It's about looking after colleagues that I work with as well to ensure that they can be the best that they can be. Nursing and the qualification in nursing, whatever branch that might be, whether it's a child branch, learning disabilities, mental health or adult nursing, a nursing qualification can actually take you anywhere. You can be part of a community nursing team, you can be part of any acute provider teams, you can look after children, you can look after mums to be. It can take you absolutely anywhere, and you're a required skilled person around the world. If your ambition is to travel, your qualification, your career choices can help you do that. You can go on and work in other countries if that's what you want to do. The University of Cumbria, what better place to come than a university that is set in such a beautiful setting? So you would have a whole university experience in somewhere that is extraordinary. Then you've got a fantastic organisation like North Cumbria Integrated Care Trust to undertake some of the placements right on the doorstep.
My name's Helen Michael. I studied at the University of Cumbria. I did a degree in adult nursing. I started in 2006 and I finished in 2009. I'm currently a clinical lead for risk and improvement, and I work for an organisation that supplies temporary staffing to over 50 NHS trusts. I chose the University of Cumbria because the placements were really, really good. When I joined here, I realised that the standard of teaching is excellent. The support that I got from the lecturers and from my academic tutors, it was absolutely brilliant. I had no regrets coming here whatsoever. It was a really, really positive experience. When I started as a registered nurse, I went to work for a charity that supported young people in sexual health. After that, I went and worked in research for 3 years in chest research, COPD and asthma on a really amazing study that had never been done before. And after that, I worked for the Care Quality Commission as an inspector in adult social care, which is completely different again. And then I got into this role about 6 years ago, working in clinical governance. Lots of very, very varied and different roles, all possible with a degree in adult nursing. If you progress in nursing, it is well paid and there are just so many opportunities. I found from doing the degree in the University of Cumbria that the opportunities were excellent with the degree that I got.
Hello, my name's Catherine Orme. I'm an advanced care practitioner at Penrith Urgent Treatment Centre and I've been nursing for 35 years. I see and treat patients at a walk-in centre. It's urgent care from any age who come with illnesses, minor injuries, serious illnesses and injuries that we have to urgently send to the acute hospital. I started in my first role in accident emergency in Liverpool, got my experience working there and just gradually worked my way up. I just loved working in emergency care, the whole aspect of it, the way it moved fast and everything was changing constantly. Working on the observation ward as well, getting the opportunity to look after patients one-on-one. And we got a lot of patients who were end of life because there were no palliative care beds, and being able to be there for somebody and hold the hand, especially if they didn't have any relatives. I've done that on quite a few occasions and I found that to be very fulfilling and very satisfying, knowing you could be there for somebody.
My advice to anyone thinking of studying at the University of Cumbria would be to definitely do it. Come and speak to some of the people who are already studying, speak to some of the lecturers, have a look round. It's a fantastic place to come and study and I would absolutely recommend it.